I say, baby boy, it's not going to be easy as a thought. These scars have been there for so many years, so it's gonna take some time. You have to show me how much I really care. Now look, now sometime love, now no fake love. So put it on the table, make we play some dub like the bass to the bass line and the music to the club. Make we take some time and know each other. He says he will transform my pain into power as he dig deep beneath my skin. I take every inch of his pleasure and crown him as a king. Never been underrated by his hour cause he knows I'm a queen. He has no time to be dwelling on his low self-esteem. Gradually overcoming all his ism and his schism. Proceed himself to be the best version of himself. So I give him time to breathe. He gave me space and time so I could be the best version of myself too. So we could glow together like the sun and the moon. Have no time to be banging on each other cause we know that would cause a scene. This was written by Afro, the soul messenger.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.